Today we are going to study the drugs for the constipation. For the drugs for constipation, we are saying two drugs, that is laxative type, another is purgative. What is the difference between laxative and purgative? Both the laxative and purgative have same action, that is, they involve the evacuation of bowel. Evacuation of bowel. But the action, the intensity of action differs. Laxative are also known as aperitent. These are aperients and these are catharetics. They have a milder action. They have a stronger action. They promote the evacuation of soft but firm stools. And they involve the evacuation of liquids evacuation, that is liquid bowel evacuation. Fluid evacuation. This is the basic difference between laxative and purgatives. So now we will see the classification for the drugs in constipation. So let's see the classification. First of all, we can take the first choice, that is bulk forming drugs. The drugs in this category include the dietary fibers, that is isabgol, bran, psyllium, plantago, methyl cellulose. The other classification is stool softeners. They soften the stool so that evacuation becomes easy. So the drugs in this category are DOS, means docusades, and liquid paraffin. Next classification is osmotic purgatives. You can see they are stronger in action, and osmotic, they releases the osmosis pressure increases, as well as they evacuate the bowel out of the body faster. So the drugs in this are magnesium salts and sodium salts. So the drug in magnesium salts are sulfates of this category and hydroxides, that is magnesium sulfate, magnesium hydroxide. And the sodium category include sulfates and phosphate. There is another one, that is sodium potassium tartrate, also known as Rochley salt. Rochley salt is important from the view of entrance exam. They can ask that what is Rochley salt. You must be remembering that is sodium potassium tartrate and lactulose. And another category is stimulant purgatives. They are widely used. The drugs in this category are again characterized as diphenylmethanes, androquinone, also known as imodins. 5-HT4 agonist and fixed. So the diphenyl methane includes the bisacodyl, phenolphthalein, and picosulfate. The phenolphthalein is now not used. This has been produced various side effects in person vary. So bisacodyl and picosulfate is still used. Anthraquinone, most common. You must be using this at home also. Senna and Cascara Sagrada. These are the two drugs which are obtained from natural sources. And third one is 5-HT4 agonist, that is galopride. Next one is fixed oil, castor oil. This is all about the classification of drugs which can be used for the treatment in the constipation. In order to see each of the drug with more emphasis, we will see in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like my video as well as subscribe the channel.